Hi John, hi Marcia. So today we're going to be talking about compound interest and how this is going to affect you when purchasing a stock. Let's get straight to it. So, compound interest, what is it? So compound interest is this. When purchasing a stock, you want to make sure you buy a stock that pays dividends. Dividends is huge when using compound interest. Compound interest is taking your dividends and reinvesting them into your stock. This is how you're going to make way more money in the long run. As you can see in the graph below, the green line is our interest over 15 years. By reinvesting your interest, the more money you will come out with in the long run. As you can see in the graph below, the blue line is our starting amount and our interest is the green line. Before we invest into a stock, we want to make sure we know the difference between stocks and dividends. Dividends represents a way for shareholders of stocks like me and you to receive regular income from their investments. Aside from dividends, stocks do not provide regular payments to shareholders who may see the value of their shares increase but who do not receive non-dividend incomes from their stocks until they sell their shares. The only way you can receive money from stocks is from buying and selling stocks. Here's a rundown. For example, in your scenario, by investing $1,300 into Procter & Gamble with a return rate of 2.86 and with an additional $500 monthly, your end balance over 19 years will be $152,853.83. This is just one investment alone. Imagine making 2 to 3 investments and letting them ride. Pretty crazy. You could make a lot of money. A safe place to invest your money. When investing into a stock, be sure to check the past history of that stock and also be sure to check the yield, dividend, and the payout ratio and the history of ratios. This is huge when looking at a stock because you want to know what you're getting yourself into. A safe investment to make that will be a long-term gain would be Procter & Gamble. Currently, Procter & Gamble is paying a dividend of 79 cents per share, and the company has a dividend yield of 2.45, which is really good in the long run. Financial success. As you can see, if you want to achieve your financial goals much quicker, investing your money into a reliable and stable stock can increase your money over the long run way faster. Remember, your savings is what you work towards, so don't dip into your savings unless you have to. Think long term, not short term. Some stable stocks we can look through are these. Berkshire Hathaway. They own a collection of about 60 subsidiaries and businesses, including auto insurance and Geico. The Walt Disney Company. Well, Disney was not immune to the COVID-19 pandemic. However, the company experienced major revenue declines in the fiscal 2020 year. I think the 2020 year, the revenue will jump up as expected if everything like cruise lines, movie theaters, and theme parks are opened. Vanguard High Dividend Yield is an exchange-traded fund that invests in a portfolio of stocks paying above average dividends. Procter & Gamble is something that we will be dealing with first. It's a business that makes products people need in the economy and in the environment. In conclusion, by investing in stocks and using compound interest, you can save way more money over a long period of time. The best part about it is you don't have to do anything. Just let your money sit and watch it rise. Alrighty, John. Alright, Marcia. Thank you for your time, and I hope I helped. Thank you.